So now here's the fun part, right? So, executing on digital strategy is hard, right? But Bonnet's a quote from Bonnet: "The key to more successful digital transformation is not to skip ahead. Start with step one and invest in the focus and resources to get it right." So how do you start, and what is that first step? And fortunately, Celigo has published an ebook on this very topic that includes a step-by-step plan. So we're going to go through the highlights of that. We're going to make this ebook available to everybody here. And after we've kind of gone through how to use it, you'll have that opportunity to dive a little deeper.
Yeah. And so this is where I think it's helpful to kind of, I'll talk about what, at a macro level, and then kind of provide you some insights into what we've been doing internally. And as we've kind of been putting this together, and I think we as technologists are always very oriented, I'd probably say, to jump immediately into step 5, right? We see a problem, fix a problem. We can define, we can map out all the processes, and then we go. And we assume if we can start fixing some of these things, that everyone will just understand what we're doing. And as we've kind of been going through this exercise internal to Celigo, as well as what we do and help our customers that go through this, more often than not, when we try to get to then 8, if we haven't done steps 1 through 4, we often might feel like we've accomplished something, but it's really hard for the rest of the organization to understand. So that's where...
Right, because what you've done is, right, you've just done some discrete projects. You haven't actually built organizational capacity.
Yeah. And it was, literally right before we got on this call, I was reading another piece of Gartner research that basically continued to say, focus on the value, don't focus on the technical topics. And it comes back to your point. The value that you're going to be able to help articulate the organization is actually going to come through steps 1 through 4. How you assess your readiness, how you actually, start scoping out a platform to support it, defining the areas of work, and identifying the automation leaders. Because at some point, you will have to transition from the advocate to the implementer. And you've got to make sure that you've got people that are continuing to advocate for you, so that this can continue to move forward.